Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix Telegram not sending SMS verification codes. Firstly, double check the phone number you entered is for signing up. If you entered the wrong number by mistake, Telegram will not send the SMS code that is incorrect. Just return to the sign up screen, re-enter your phone number, and try again. Telegram sends verification codes via SMS, so your phone needs a strong network signal. Just check for proper signal. If you're in an area with weak signal, try moving to a spot with better coverage, such as outdoors. And finally, sometimes a simple restart can fix network or software issues that prevent SMS from arriving. To restart, just press and hold the power button, and once phone restarts, try signing up for Telegram again. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.